Good day, M5835. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers. My name is Mirasol Makayan. I am 41 years old, single mother with two kids, ages 18 and 12 years old. I live in Muntinlupa City, Philippines. I took up bachelor degree of secondary education. My work experience as domestic helper in the Philippines in one family with seven members, three kids and four adults. Ages of the kids is 2 years old, 4 years old, and 7 years old. I also experienced taking care of elderly for 5 years while I'm working student with them. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing, ironing, marketing, and sometimes do a car washing.
Okay, and also you do tutoring?
And also do tutoring a kids in their assignments.
Okay, I saw that you don't have experience in taking care of a newborn baby. But is it okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
Wash my hands, put the right amount of milk in water, check the temperature, and give it to the baby.
Okay, before that we need to shake the bottles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shake and
Shake.
then check the temperature and give it to the baby. Okay, so if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will do check the diaper and also the temperature of the baby. And if still he's crying, inform to my employer.
Okay, and also you can feed the baby, maybe he or she is hungry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And also you can play or sing or dance,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I can cook a Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, and also Bicol Express, and also a fried chicken. I prepare adobo with a fried chicken and do the right washing of a chicken, and then saute it with the garlic, onion, and put the oyster sauce, and then cook it in the right time in a minute.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is nowadays paying a high salary for a domestic helper like us, and also it's nearest from our country.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Maybe 2 or 3 contracts, it's okay for me, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay to you to share room with kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay to you to take care of elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to use a cell phone during working hours without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay to you to know Sunday off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay to you to eat the food that your employer provides?
Yes, ma'am.
If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Um, do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, you can assure that I will finish my contract and do the right or follow the rules of what they have in your countries, and you can assure that I am a trustworthy and hardworking person.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, M5835, Miss Mirasol.